friends, I'm back. And look what I got here, a bloody red container. Ooh, so it's black with the red, and it's a glazed terracotta pot. Nice and small, and it's kind of dimpled. I love pottery. I really, really do. And it's got like this built-in saucer. Super cool. Check that out. So doesn't it look like blood? Oh, it's just so beautiful. And it's got that red rim that I can work with. So I'll show you the plants that I have in mind for this one. I'll set this to the side. I've got a cinnamon cactus. Check that out. And I see something here. I see a little sedum leaf there that I kind of pulled out there. All right, this is a cinnamon cactus. Look at it. So it looks like the little spikes, the little fluffy spines look like little cinnamon specks. Here, I'm gonna try to, there we go. Gonna get a little closer there. Come on, focus, little camera. There we go. Look at that. So it's that beautiful green with the brown little spines there. So beautiful. They grow in these awesome clusters. Like, don't you see like just the desert? When you see one of these, I love them. Cinnamon cactus. I've got jet beads, and this is a Sedeveria. So look how, since they're stressed, they're almost black, but you can see that new growth, it's that like green color. So primary color is green, and then it's almost black. So I thought that it would be perfect for this black container with red, right? So I've got two clusters. I've got this beautiful Sempervivum. Check this one out. This is Sempervivum Maria Laach. L-A-A-C-H. Laach. Or Laach, is it? Who knows? But look at it. Oh, it's so strong. So, because I put this like in full sun, and the surrounding Sempervivums that were a little more delicate, they kind of burned. This one stayed, this one got better with the sunlight. Because look, it's stressed out and it has all that red in it. And it's so deep red that it's kind of like, you can't really see the center there. Such a beautiful Sempervivum. Oh my goodness. So I just had to add this to this container for sure. Oh, I've got a cotyledon. This is a happy young lady. Look at that. So this will add that pop of color, because you know I have a lot of green, I've got red, so we need to freshen it up a bit. And this is what the cotyledon, that's what it's going to do to this arrangement. It's going to give it that like pop of color, so it won't all blend in. Happy young lady. So as you can see, there's a ton of farina on it. That's sunscreen that we've talked about before, and the tips are kind of burgundy. Super beautiful. And last but not least, I've got a Crassula devil's horn, and I got this one because of the color. You guessed right. So it's like red when it stresses out. So the color is usually green, but if you put it in sun or under a grow light, it'll turn into this beautiful red color, almost like blood. And they're called devil's horn. Beautiful, right? All right. So we're gonna get started on this little planter here. So now we are ready for planting. So gonna get my succulent soil here. Spoon this in all the way to the top. I'll leave actually a little space there because I've got that big cactus to work with. Okay, there we go. So, like I said, I kind of forgot there. All right, just kind of leave a little space there. I'm gonna grab my cactus here. Oh, so beautiful. Just love it. Look at it. All right, and let's see, which way should I face it? Okay, this way, just like that. Okay, so let's see. Start at this end right here, and I'm gonna kind of lean it on the rim. Ooh. And these are the fine hairs that really get you. Now I'm gonna get my, ooh, there's like a little hair stuck on it. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of hold it from the base there. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the fine hairs on this cactus, they really get you. Because you don't see them, you only feel them. It's really bad. Because you'll be like kind of working, cooking or something, you'll kind of like rub your finger and boom, ow. And you're like, where is it? I shouldn't have played with that cactus. Should have messed around with that cactus. But yeah, there we go. So holding it by the base will help with that. All right, so here we go. So let me turn it around here. And I'm gonna add that Maria Laach right here. That Maria. Do you like, when you think of Maria, do you go to the Santana song? Maria, Maria, share my feelings, All right, you can see that I'm getting a little comfortable here in front of the camera, because I would have not done that like a year ago. Heck no, I was very shy. All right. I wasn't even talking into the camera a year ago. All my videos were speeded up. Okay, so I'm having a little trouble here fitting this big ol' Maria. So, I'm gonna kind of, because it's like, this cactus is like, hello. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of move the oh God. Okay, I'm gonna move this cactus a little more towards the center. All right. No, 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 stay there. I'm gonna anchor it down with more soil right over here. Cause that Maria, she's a beast, man. She's big. All right, will that make a difference? I don't even know. Okay, I just won't mess with it as much. So I'll make the little well there. Okay, making sure that those roots, she's so big. Oh man, I'm gonna tuck in any of those roots that might be outside. Oh man, am I gonna be able to fit everything else? I don't know. Maria's like taking all the space here. Come on, girl. All right. All right, there we go. So now I've got my devil's horn and I've got my happy young ladies. So for sure I'm gonna add a happy young lady right over here in this little spot here. Make my well, kind of grab onto that top part. It's got that farina on it that I really don't want to touch, but I don't have a choice. I don't want to touch that cactus. Okay, so there goes one. And I'll add the other one right next to it. Right there, perfect. Yeah, so I want that pop of color right in the center. So that's where my eye is gonna go when I look at this arrangement, right in the center. Because then the attention is gonna be all on that Maria right there. She has to share the fame here. All right. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's so beautiful. My goodness. Okay, here we go. So now I'm gonna go for the devil's horn. Definitely gonna go right here. I'm gonna make my well. And as you can see, I'm working with super dry soil. I usually tend to spray it with water a little, just so it can be more workable, but I've been forgetting. I've been dropping the ball on that. All right, so I'm gonna kind of let it fan out right here, and it's hard to see from this top view, but it's nice and like centered right there, fanning out nicely. Gonna add more soil to these little holes here. And that's where I will be adding the Sedeveria jet beads. Add a little texture, fill those little holes up. I've got a little hole over here, so I'm gonna add one here, add one here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that'll be perfect because I have 6 jet beads. So that'll be good. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I've got my jet beads right here, and I've got my snippers. All right, so I'm gonna go for the bigger one, and I'm gonna snip it off. I'm gonna do it a little taller, just like that. I'm gonna grab my knitting needle. Where'd I put it? Okay. I'm gonna go over here towards the back by the cinnamon and the Maria, and I'm just gonna nestle it right in there. Boom. Oh, that adds so much character right here. You know, you see, because it was kind of vacant. It was like something was missing, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna put another one right over here. And it's gonna be another tall one. So I'm gonna go here. I have another tall one here. All the way down. And this one even has some roots attached to it, so that's good. That's good. Okay, make my little well. Nestle it in, just like that. Boom. Oh, I love it. I love it when it just works out, you know? Okay, and now I can add 2 here. I'm gonna grab my snippers here, and I'm gonna cut them pretty short. So, just like that. There. Another one. Okay. I'm gonna kind of fit them in so they can be a lot shorter right there. And then another one right there. And that one didn't go in quite as nicely. And I'm kind of hurting that Cotty lad in there, that happy young lady. We want to keep her happy, right? All right, there we go. So she needs her own little space there. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna work this little corner here. Do the same thing that I did to the other side. So you see how that adds a lot of like character to your arrangement when you add these little things here and there. And this is why I make these like arrangements, you know. I mean, of course, I love doing them, but I also want you to fall in love with the succulents. You know, they just you don't have to get a pot and just put one variety in it. You can grab, you know, a combination and put them all together. Okay, and this little cactus here, it's kind of leaning. It's making me sad. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some stones, and I'm going to anchor it up with the stones. So I'm going to clean my little area up here. I'm going to dust these off. And I'm going to anchor this one down with some stones as well, because it's kind of like going on to, it's like leaning over. It's not quite anchored down. All right. Okay, so now with my stones. Ooh, that is beautiful, I gotta say. I'm gonna toot my own horn there. Oh yeah, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so I'm gonna start right over here. And with my knitting needle, I'm gonna kind of push it where I want it to be. And I'm gonna stuff as many stones down there so that it can lean a little more like towards the front. It's like really leaning towards the back there. So if I stuff it with enough stones there, it'll start to lean forward. little more. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, working my way around. Okay, so do we need a few stones there? Yeah, we do. And you know what? I'm running out of battery. So maybe my good karma will help me out. And I will be able to finish this arrangement. I've done it before. Oh man. And it's only the stones that I need. Oh no, come on. Okay. And I think I'm good. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it around, see how that is. Gonna add a little more stones here. That is too big of a stone, okay. I'm still going, okay. Okay, all right. This came out just right. It really did. I'm super proud of it. I think I'm getting a little better with these smaller arrangements. Look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna get it a little closer here. Got that little cinnamon. Look at that. So cute. It gives it so much character. I've got that Maria. I mean, it speaks for itself. It is just gorgeous. The life of the party for sure. And you see how it freshens it up, that happy young lady with that white there, even though it's tucked in towards the back, it still gives it that effect that I was looking for. And then all the little jet beads. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm having a hard time focusing. It might be the battery. 3, 4, then 5, then 6 on the other side. So pretty. Look at it. Oh, so cute. So I kind of want it to look like that, but I'm gonna give it a little turn. Oh man, and that battery, it lasted. It's meant to be. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like any of these succulents, they're all available, except for the jet beads, I think, at suckycrafts.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye garden friends.